Hey everybody, it's Moderatrix. My stomach still is not back to normal, hence why I've been MIA. Every time I think I'm almost back to normal and try to eat normal food and drink normal drinks, my stomach and other unsavory guts just don't comply. So today we're just going to try a little Mellow Yellow to give you a little burpy burps. I'm not wearing any makeup because I don't feel like putting it on. Chunky, 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 chunky. So anyway, that's just throwing you a bone, giving you a little burp when I have the free time because I'm tired of laying in my bed going, oh my God. I've spent more time on the toilet in the past 3 weeks than I probably have in the past 6 months. Not that you need to know that, but there it is. I'm tired of being on the toilet, and I'm tired of feeling like it's going to come out this end, but luckily the vomiting only was limited to the first couple of days when I got sick. So if you hear of anybody else that's sick out there, love them, give them hugs, help them. This stuff sucks. I don't know what it is or why it won't go away, but I want it gone. Anyway, hope you're all having a good summer. It's sweaty as fuck out there, and I'll talk to you later when I feel better.